Good morning. Right, we're at Tint Works. We have a nice Volvo XC90 that's come in for some tinting. What they're after is a degree of privacy. They don't want it too dark, because obviously at the moment you can see right into the vehicle. So we're going to put a 20% tint on it. Should eject 49% of the sun's energy, give some privacy, and protect the little ones in the back. Thank you. Okay, finished. 20% all over there, all over the rear half. As you can see, the lights are still on inside the car, so it gives you a good comparison before and after. I'm going to go a little bit wobbly while I switch the lights off now, excuse me. Okay, so afterwards, this is what it's going to look normally. There you go, 20% tint. Thank you.